Hello and welcome back to KM Webverse. This is Kashif Mahmood. In this video we will see how we can add a blog to our WordPress website. I am using WordPress theme and WooCommerce plugin. So if you are using any plugins or theme, you can watch this video and you will be able to add the blog to your website for free. To add the blog, just go to the dashboard. So WordPress has a default feature for blog that is called this post. So here you will see the post and you can add it, but to create a blog page you first need to go to pages and click on add new page. You can first go to all pages and verify that you don't have a blog page already, because when you install some themes the blog page already comes with them. So here you can see that I don't have a blog page, so I can click on add new page, and here you need to add the page title. You can say blog or anything like articles. So just click on publish. You can click on view page. Here you can see the blog page, but you can see that it's empty, and when you will add any blog using the post feature it will not show over here currently, because for that we need to go to the dashboard again and we need to set this page as the post page so that the post will show on the blog page. So here you need to scroll and go to settings, and here you need to click on reading, and here you can see posts page. So here you can see that none of the page is selected, so just select the blog over here and you can scroll, click on save changes. I also want to share a bonus thing with you, so just go to permalinks. This will increase your website SEO, and here you need to make sure that you have this post name selected. If you have any other thing selected you can select the post page, but you need to make sure that your other links are working fine, because if you have other pages like the product pages and different things, then the links can break. Here you can see that including the post name tags makes link easy to understand and can help your post rank higher in search engine. So that's the thing. You can also create a robot.txt file which is good for SEO. I have already published that video on my channel. You can check out the video for that. You can just go to YouTube, search for robot.txt KM Webverse and you will find it. Now go to blog page and click on refresh. So here you can see some changes. It says nothing found, apologies, but no results were found. So when we will post a blog page by going to this post tab, and when we will add a new article over here, then it will start showing over here. Still you can see this page, but if a user go to your website, like they visit your website, let me visit my website in incognito window so I can see how the user previews it. So here you can see my menu. You can see there is no blog page, and when I go to the bottom at the footer there is no blog either. So user don't know how to access the blog, so that's something that you need to see. So now we need to add the blog page so that the user can also see it, because the user don't know that they have to type, they cannot type like this thing in the link and they can go to the blog page. They need to see the blog page in the footer or in the header so they can go to that and read your articles. So just close this, and for that go to the dashboard again. Here you need to go to appearance and click on menus. Here you will see the menus, so you can find your current menu. For example, this is my current menu and here I have multiple ones. So this main navigation is the default one that is showing over here. So here to add the blog page I will have to click on view all, and I will click on blog and I will click on add to menu. So here you can see the blog page. Now click on save, click on refresh. So here you can see blog page is showing now. So this is showing on a new line. So if that happens on your end, because in my end I have multiple menus item already, so I can move it to this drop down under the home page and I will click on save changes. So that's how you can add a blog page to your website. So here you can see now it is all good. So that's it for this video, and that's how you can add a blog page to your WordPress website. If you need any help in fixing or building your website on WordPress or Shopify, do let me know. I am a professional WordPress developer and Shopify expert. So do let me know. My contact details are provided in the description. So that's it for this video. Like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you.